Now we see the truth table. Now truth table for connective AND. Now the connective AND is used to connect the two statement. So AND connective ये यूज होता है दो स्टेटमेंट को कनेक्ट करने के लिए. So there are two statement like P and Q. Now as there are two statement P and Q, so possible truth value is what? T, T, F, F. And for Q, T, F, T, F. Now AND relation for P and Q, P and Q. So result is what? If both are true, then P and Q is true. If first P is true and Q is false, then P and Q is false. If P is false and Q is true, then P and Q is false. If P is false and Q is false, then P and Q is false. So what is the conclusion? If both the statement are true, then P and Q is true, otherwise false. दो में से एक भी स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है तो फॉल्स होगा, या फिर दोनों फॉल्स है तो P and Q is false. Now truth table for logical connective or disjunction. So the connective OR is used to connect the two statement. So truth table for logical connective OR, two statement are used. Let first statement is P and second statement is Q. The relation of P and Q is P logical connective R and Q. Now there are two statements. So possible truth value of P, T, T, F, F. For Q, T, F, T, F. If statement P is true, statement Q is true, then P or Q is true. If statement P true, statement Q false, then P or Q is true. If statement P is false, statement Q is true, then P or Q is true. If the statement P is false, statement Q is false, then P or Q is false. So here, if both the statement are false, then P or Q is false, otherwise true. यदि दोनों स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है तो P और Q फॉल्स होगा, अदरवाइज क्या रहेगा? ट्रू. Now truth table for if dash dash then. Now if dash dash then is also called one way implication or conditional. Now if dash dash then, this logical connective is used to connect the two statement. So here two statement are used for if dash dash then. So let first statement is P, second statement is Q, then P and Q is related by logical connective if dash dash then is this way. So P one way implication Q. Now in if dash dash then, two statement are used, so order of truth value is T, T, F, F. Now order of truth value of Q, T, F, T, F. यही ऑर्डर हमें यूज करना है. If P is true, Q is true, then P one way implication Q is true. If P is true and Q is false, then P one way implication Q is false. If P is false and Q is true, then P one way implication Q is true. And if P is false and Q is false, then P one way implication Q is true. So here, if first statement P is true and second statement Q is false, then only the P one way implication Q is false, otherwise true. यदि पहला ट्रू है और दूसरा फॉल्स है, तभी हमें P one way implication Q false होगा, otherwise true. Now the truth table for if and only if. Now in case of logical connective if and only if two statement are used. So truth table in logic connective, if and only if two statement are used. Let first statement is P, second statement is Q, and their relation P, if and only if का symbol, two-way implication and Q. So here two statement are used. So possible truth value of statement P, T, T, F, F. Possible truth value of Q, T, F, T, F. इसी ऑर्डर से हमें लेना है. So if P is true, Q is true, then P two-way implication Q is true. If P is true and Q is false, then P two-way implication Q is false. If P is false and Q is true, then P two-way implication Q is false. If P is false and Q is false, then P two-way implication Q is true. So in this truth table, if and only if both the truth value are similar, then P two implication Q is true. तो दोनों T है तो P two implication Q true होगा, और दोनों false है तो P two implication Q ये true होगा, अदरवाइज false. दोनों में से एक भी false होगा तो P two implication false होगा. दोनों truth value यदि similar है तो P two implication Q यह true होगा. So now fifth logical connective, not or negation. Now not or negation is unary connective. In not only one statement is used. As only one statement is used, the truth table for not is only one statement is used in case of not negation. So possible truth value are 2. यहाँ पर हम एक ही स्टेटमेंट यूज करते हैं. नॉट इस कनेक्टिव में एक ही स्टेटमेंट हम यूज कर रहे हैं, इसलिए पॉसिबल ट्रूथ वैल्यू दो होंगी, एक टी और दूसरा एफ. सो इफ पी इज ट्रू इट्स नेगेशन इज फॉल्स. इफ पी इज फॉल्स इट्स नेगेशन इज ट्रू. तो यहाँ पर एक ही स्टेटमेंट हम यूज कर रहे हैं नॉट नेगेशन लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव में, तो पॉसिबल ट्रूथ वैल्यू दो ही होंगी टी एंड एफ. यदि स्टेटमेंट पी ट्रू है तो उसका नेगेशन रहेगा एफ. इफ स्टेटमेंट पी इज फॉल्स देन नेगेशन ऑफ पी इज ट्रू.